Minnie's first place pie. Minnie opens her mail and gets a surprise. There is a pie baking contest. Today, Minnie knows what to make her peach custard pie. Oh dear, she does not have any peaches or custard. Minnie calls Daisy for help. Hi Daisy, there is a pie baking contest today. Would you please bring me some peaches? Oh Figaro, that tickles. Daisy says, oh sure, I will bring pickles. Daisy goes out to her garden and picks a bunch of cucumbers to make pickles for her pie baking pal. Next, Minnie calls Goofy. Hello, Goofy, can you help me? There is a pie baking contest today and I need some custard. Gosh, says Goofy, I have got lots of mustard. Goofy grabs a bottle of mustard. Then he jumps on his skateboard and zips over to Minnie's house. Minnie's phone rings. It's Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Sorry, but I can't talk. There is a pie baking contest. Hot dog, I love pie. Mickey replies, I will be right over. What goes well with pie? Mickey thinks for a minute and then picks up a few things to bring to Minnie. Minnie rolls out her pie crust. She is ready to fill it with peaches and custard. Then her friends show up with pickles and mustard. Oh dear, says Minnie, I can't bake a pickle mustard pie. Mickey, what did you bring? Mickey pulls out hot dogs and lemons. Well, says Minnie, I always say when life hands you lemons, make lemon pie. While the pie bakes, Minnie cooks up hot dogs with fixing for her friends. At the contest, Minnie Lemon Pie wins a prize and everyone enjoys a slice.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.